happening, y'all? As you can see, I'm in my car. I am about to go get an oil change. So I have to go get an oil change. I'm finna see if I can get a courtesy vehicle so that I can go run errands and stuff while they are taking care of my car. But if not, then I'll just have to wait. We can walk around a lot and see what they got and whatnot. But let me not be rude. Hello, my name is Tava. If you are new here, make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button and comment down below. Either that's in the middle of the video, end of the video, whatever. Make sure you put a like and click on that bell so you can get notified anytime I do drop a video. But I'm about to I gotta look up the place first, because I don't know where I'm going still to this day. Let's see, where is it? No, I think I'm just gonna do because so how have you been? How you guys been? I know the last video y'all seen, I don't know what would have been the last video that I put up before this. It might have been a get ready for me if I edited it, but if not, it was hanging with the girls in Houston. So safety first, you guys. Safety first. My oil's on 5%, so oh, that's an empty apartment. I wonder if they, okay, let me stop, because that might not even be a 2-bedroom. Let me see. I need to go here. And excuse me, y'all. I'm trying to get this address because, of course, I got a GPS everywhere I go. But I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get to my destination and I figure out what I'm gonna do. Paste. 6 minutes. Right around the corner, Bobo. Let me see which way they want me to go. They want me to go down and okay, that's easy enough. So let's get on the road. I'll see y'all when I get there. What's going on, you guys? I don't know how this camera quality is turning out right now, but I dropped my my car off at service. They said it's gonna be a 2.5 hour wait. I think it's already in the back because I didn't see it in the line over there. So, and I've been here like an hour, 2 hours, like 10, 11. Yeah, I've been here 2 hours, almost 2 hours now. So, I don't know. I'm just trying to see. I'm gonna try to go to this dispensary that I've been supposed to go to a long time ago. You know what's crazy? You know how many people has tried to get me to trade in my car? This is a used Honda Accord. Is it manual? Oh yeah, I think it's manual. Like, I don't know how I feel. Cause I'm an engine type of person. Like, I love engine sounds. So the fact that I'm like, I don't know. But this color right here, I think I want to paint my car this color. Like, I've always liked this color. This color has always been dope to me. They don't have no cherries out here. I'll probably get a cherry. for sure. Is this an Odyssey? Now, mind you, I love me a Odyssey. The van, these mugs are decked out, and they got a nice engine in it. It mug can go. I had drove somebody Odyssey when I had to go take them to the doctor, bro. 0 to like, and Odyssey ain't up but 50,000. That's crazy. But yeah, like I would like, if I was to get a new car, it would probably be a new Accord. But I'm just like, well, that's 31,000. That ain't bad for that car. But how much is brand new though? See, these are all used cars right here. And the used car market has skyrocketed for some reason. And these don't have, the sports don't have sunroof. I would have to get a sport touring if I was gonna get a new car. It's a 2021, 31,000. Okay, that's not bad. But I always be like, yo, if you want a car, you should lean more towards a car, especially if it's going to be a daily, lean more towards a daily car that's going to not do a lot of gas and just going to be doing too much, you know what I'm saying? So y'all ever realize, look at all of these damn bridges, bro. It's like a multitude of bridges. Like, everywhere I go, I gotta get on a highway or the interstate. Like, oh, I like this. I would actually get this. I ain't gonna lie. I would actually get this Stinger right here. Dip it nasty. This is probably the only Kia that I would get is this damn Stinger. Does it say how many miles it got on it? Nope, but that bitch nasty. That bitch nasty. Somebody was scraping the hell out of the wheels though. And it's like, I'm gonna end up getting me a truck. I don't know when that's gonna be, but I'm gonna end up getting me a truck. I need a truck. I need like a luxury vehicle, and then I think I want to get a Jeep. That's gonna be my 4 essential cars. You know what I'm saying? What is a Tesla doing here? But like, I be trying to figure out like what people be going, what be going through people's head when they do and say certain shit. I know I'm all over the place at this moment, but I've been really trying to figure that out. But I'm waiting on them to call me. It's been a good 2 hours, maybe 2 hours and 15 minutes. So I'm just waiting. I was sitting down for a good 2 hours, and then I was like, let me go stretch my legs because my knee was hurt. I'm getting old, y'all. I'm getting old. But I think I want to get a either a 7 series or an 8 series M competition BMW. I think that's where I'm leaning. I think that's where I'm leaning more. So we'll see. I'm gonna hit y'all back when I get my car. Hopefully that's within the next 20 minutes because I'm over it. What's going on, you guys? I am back in my car. Yes. I gotta go home and get my AirPods. Then I'm gonna go get my car washed. Then I'm gonna head out to the dispensary. See what they got, see what they talking about. And I need to hit the smoke shop up. Smoke shop. I need to hit up the smoke shop. So that sound like that. Oh no, but I'm about to hit up the smoke shop. And then I gotta go to Walmart. Then that's it. I might be linking up with one of my sis, so we'll see. Hey, getting a good old car wash. Yes, sir. Him been needing a car wash. I hate these damn car washes, but this is just what I gotta do. You feel me? I just gotta do it. You feel me? Now, I don't got time to go and get it hand washed, so this is what has to happen. So it is what it is. You feel me? What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? So I just got to the store right here. You feel me? Big C. You feel me? I don't know if I'm gonna record in there, but I'll probably record when I come back out and let y'all know what I got. So y'all stay tuned. The lighting is horrible, just horrible lighting. You feel me? But hey, I'm gonna hit y'all back when I get back. My radio was loud as shit right there with it. Crazy. Okay, so now I'm trying to find a car wash. Right now I'm not even worried about my paint because I'm getting my car painted soon. So that's not something that I'm really worried about. I gotta go back that way, I believe. So if I go this way, I really need to vacuum out my car for sure. Yeah, I'm gonna go get me a car wash. I need to get something to eat. I haven't decided what I'm going to eat just yet. It might need to be something around here while I'm already out because but I'm about to go to this car wash. What's going on, you guys? So I just came in here to let you know what I got while I was out. I finally made it home. As you can see, I have changed. But I got a what? 12 pack of Dos Equis. You feel me? 12 pack of Dos Equis. And then let's see what I got from the what's the name store? What is it? The hookah place. So I got these small little flavors for somebody that I'm getting a kit for. So I got blueberry. I got magic love. And then I got strawberry. So these are the flavors that's gonna go in the kit for that person. When my Amazon comes, I'm going to show y'all what came from Amazon because I'm so excited about one of those things. I might make a separate video about that. And then I got some berry Sheesh. Come on. Here we go, berry for me. I got the Backwoods honeyberry. And I thought this was so cute. A little Bob Marley crusher. That's crazy, right? That's dope. I love that. But I'm gonna get back with y'all when my Amazon stuff come, because then I'm gonna show y'all what I got from Amazon. And then that's gonna be my end of the day. That's the end of the video. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you subscribe, comment down below any videos that y'all want me to do. Any videos that y'all want me to do, and like the video. But stay tuned for when my Amazon packages arrive, because I'm gonna be so excited. Alright, you guys, before I end the video, I'm going to show you what I got from Amazon. So this right here is like the little starter hoopah kit that I was talking about. I'll show y'all what all comes in it. I'll be posting it on my Instagram, so if you want to see how it turned out, follow me on my Instagram. Got your portable hookah. I'm actually finna try this out, like right now as we speak. So I'll let y'all know how it goes. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in. I enjoyed. Oh, and then I got my car lights to put in my car. I had to get more. I had some in there, but they stopped working, so I had to get more. But thank you guys for tuning in. Stay tuned for more content, because it is more on the way. And I'm also going to show this on my Instagram as well. So follow my social medias down below, because that's where I'll be posting all of the stuff, the updates on the different things. But these are basically the lights. And yeah, I'm excited. I'm about to go hook these up right now, actually, like as we speak. Thank you guys. Stay tuned and have a wonderful day. Bye. If you don't know, now you know.